E7. Oh my God. I get a challenge from iClassic, man. He DM'd me the other day and said, yeah, I don't comment too much on stream. And I really didn't recognize his voice. His name, I mean. His voice. I didn't recognize his name because he doesn't comment too much on stream. But I think he plays tournament and he challenges me. And I know iClassic, man. I know him. But more from chess.com than from the stream. Isn't that funny? Play C3. Jay Cook says, yo, 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 yo. It's okay. Does he know this opening? Because I don't. Hey, Jay Cook, Matty Palano, Brian O'Reilly, Trey Karish, and Rudy Rutkowski. Just started playing Hogwarts. Well, you're the only person that's behind me. I'm level 9, and you're probably going to pass me in 2 days. Here's the trick. It's not, this is not a spoiler. You'll get to a spell that can reveal things. Use it often, because someone told me I'm leaving a lot of XP on the table. When you find, this is not a spoiler, okay? When you find the spell that reveals stuff, anytime you get to an area, anything that looks cool, hit that spell. It'll go, psh, it'll light stuff up. You'll get XP, you'll get pages, you'll get stuff. If you don't do this, you will just, this is like, this goes under things I wish I knew. You know what I mean? Hail chess, hail yes. Do we, I think we do this. I think we do. Chris Cole, hail chess, hail yes. Trey Karish, how you doing, Trey? What are you, level 45 now? Is there a max level on this game? I mean, yeah, Antoine, yeah. I just started doing it yesterday when someone told me, someone had said something and I did it a couple of times. I'm like, oh, someone said it again. They said, dude, you don't understand what you're not doing. Gotta hit the spell every once in a while. Every time a point of interest, a new point of interest, a new something or other, look around, man. If you're looking for a clue for something, you don't see it. Yeah, defend. He's playing defender because he wants to play this so bad. I'm gonna do this. Then he can play D3, LD2, and no good spot for his, I'm doing it, guys. I did it quick. I don't know if it works. I think 40 is max, but I don't know. I'm level 28. Trey, cool. Reveling, is that the name of it? Antoine, yeah. Use it, liberally. Now, do we go, I don't think we do G6. I think we go E6, bang. He's going to play D4. Now he can get his move in. My queen might look a little silly here. We might have to come back. When he goes, we're going to kind of... I think the move is to take, as much as I hate giving him what he wants. I think 40 is max. Good. I hate giving him what he wants. Guys, you have no idea what I've been doing for the last 4 hours. Basically, running like a freaking hamster on a freaking... I don't think we want to allow this. Because bishop b7 is an idea. Takes, knight takes, or takes, pawn takes. They're real moves, guys. E5. We don't want to allow. So takes, knight takes. This one's a piece. What do I tell freaking... I've told him a multitude of times, folks. Adam Freeman, when they play D4, you just kind of take it, right? Adam? Hey, how to get to 1700? I'm 1500, 16 ELO. Man, puzzles, lessons on chess.com, whatever openings you're playing, go ahead and watch some YouTube videos and understand them better. If you watch one YouTube video about your opening, watch one from a different person. Go back and watch the last one. Learn the ideas, learn the pawn structures, improve your tactics. End games, study your end games. Study your end games. Your rating will go up 1000%. Where's the Wizard Chess stream, Charlie? Wizard Chess. Is that a real thing? Here, 1800 in puzzles. Yeah, you know what? A lot of people that are 1700 or 1500, 1600 on chess.com Are you on chess.com or Elite Chess? There, as a rule, people's puzzle ratings are way higher. They're not just higher, they're way higher. I don't know how it is on Elite Chess. How is it on Elite Chess, guys? How is it on Elite Chess? Let me see. I'm gonna check my rules with Telly, Profilio, Bullet 1865, Blitz 1831, Rapid 1851, Classical 2007, Puzzles 2398. Okay, my puzzles on Elite Chess are way higher than my other ratings. Okay, but wait, there's more. Okay, yeah, I think I should just do this, but no, this doesn't hurt me. We should bring rooks. Maybe this first. Keep that out of B5. I was gonna do this. I could do a nice move backwards. Okay, now I'm gonna look on chess.com. Chess, come on. Oh, chess.com might be a bad place to be looking around right now. Profile. Now, I'm not saying that you're bad. I'm just saying watch. And I'm not a special puzzle person. I know people that are rated 14, 1500. Their puzzles are 2100 on chess.com. Rapid 1700, Blitz 1468, Bullet 1596, Puzzles 2068. So my puzzles are at least 300 higher than my Rapid. Yeah. Which actually isn't real far off from where you are, right? What you were just saying. 1609 on puzzles, but wait, you hit 1609, says CJ. Yeah. But what's your regular rating, CJ? What's like your Rapid rating? Where'd the guy's comments go? Hello, my man, Antoine. Where'd the guy's comments go about revealing a good spell? I think 40's max. I don't know. Where's the Wizard Chess from Charlie? Yeah, Harry Potter. They play Wizard Chess. I hit 16. There was a guy just asking me about his rating and about how to get better at chess. Am I completely? Did you guys see this conversation? It's gone. This conversation is gone. Just started playing Hogwarts. That's when we first came in. This guy, all his comments are gone. Did he delete them? Did you delete your own comments, man? It's not stupid, dude. You don't feel weird or dumb or anything. You're asking questions. Don't delete your questions. They're very good questions. People can learn from your questions. I didn't even kick that thing. People can totally learn from your questions, man. I don't. I did, but they're gone now. Christopher's messages are gone from me. I was wondering if like a mod, deleted him for something or something. I don't understand it. I come here, it attacks this, but he can just take because this is protected. So that doesn't work. We have to bring a rook. It's this rook. Yeah, you still see them? Good. Okay, well, Christopher, if you're paying attention, you see what I'm saying? It looked to me like your puzzle rating was a few hundred points higher than your normal rating, which wasn't too far off. I still feel like it doesn't matter if what your puzzle rating is, to be perfectly honest. Anytime you study tactics and work on puzzles, I'm not talking about the puzzle rush. I'm talking about the slow puzzle. Sit on your hands and don't move until you see the answer. Pick 3 candidate moves. Look for checks first, then look for captures, then look for threats. Pick 3 candidate moves and analyze in your brain as deep as you can each move until you see the answer. And then when you know for a fact it's correct, move the piece. That's how you get better at chess. Just puzzles. Oh, I move. Oh, I'm running against the clock. Hey, I got 15 this time. No, you're not getting better that way. You maybe very, very slightly. You need to sit on your hands and analyze. That's the whole point of puzzles. Is to make you analyze to analyze. Takes. I can't come here because this hangs. I have to come here, which kind of sucks. But now he'll play bishop takes, knight takes. Then I'll play knight here. He'll try and get f4 in. I might have a check. I'm trying to stay active. Yeah. So do what, like I said, work on your puzzles. Whatever openings you're playing, watch some YouTube videos that show you those openings, not just the moves, but the ideas. They all do. And if you've already watched one and you know everything about that video, like there's not theirs. There are videos on the Bishop's opening from multiple different players. Some are just masters. Some are international masters. So I watch more than one. There's 50, 60 different videos I bet on the Nadorf variation of the Sicilian on YouTube. Maybe I'm exaggerating. There's a lot. Watch one, learn how to play the Nadorf. Watch another one. Someone else will explain it. Learn more. Learn different ideas, different approaches, different games, different explanations. And then study endgames. Do the endgame lessons on chess.com. Do the or Elite Chess. Endgames will raise your rating. Charlie the chess champion, how's it going, my man? Logan Davis, it's going great. And I'll tell you, I would say don't focus on raising your rating. Focus on getting better at chess. Say, how do I get better at chess? Don't try to raise your rating. Try to get better at chess. Because what if I could tell you a trick that would trick people every time and your rating could be 2,000? Would you be proud of that? Would you be proud of that? No, because you still suck at chess. You'd know one trick that seems to work, which of course there's no such trick, but if there was, you wouldn't be proud of that. You wouldn't feel like a 2,000 player. You want to be rated 2,000. You want to do it not on a trick, not on anything weird. You want to do it because you got better at chess, not because the number told you, because you know you got the muscle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We don't want it to be an illusion. Okay? The rating is an illusion. Your actual chess strength is what you should care about. The rating will follow afterwards. The rating comes. If your chess strength goes up, your rating cannot deny you. Am I losing or something? Am I getting checkmated here? He's taking a minute to scare me. Charlie, the chess champion, how's it going, my man? Logan Davis, it's going great. Tyler Baseline Dugan, thank you for the share and the like. Brandon Thorpe, George Peabody, Travis Lloyd, thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream. It's an early stream hype, folks. Come in, say hello, do those things. He moved. Okay. Now I think we attack like a full spider monkey. He's gonna push. If he pushes, I take. So this is fake news. It's knight c6 or knight g6. Even though this knight is not on f6, this knight c6, it blocks a rook. It looks at jumps that can't happen. This knight g6 looks at jumps that can happen, plus attacks a pawn. Knight g6. Final answer. My last day of work was yesterday. Woot, I get to enjoy this whole stream. CJ Reed, awesome, man. Welcome. And thank you for the 50 stars. Starting the stars off for the day. I'm telling you guys, things feel so good right now with this stream. The chess stream has been going wonderful. The tournaments on Wednesdays have been good. The After Darks with that new game, with the new Hogwarts game, is going good. Yep, he's just defending, folks. He's just defending. Yeah. Now, we can't do this because of this. So, b5, b4. He's protecting it enough times. I'd like to attack it again, but I can't because of this maneuver. So I'm going to attack this way. I think it works. I gotta move. I gotta move, guys. It's obligatory. It's compulsory. Jay Cook says, same. I love it. And Jay Cook with the 50 and the 50. Thank you, Jay, for the stars, man. And you guys started a stars party. If you complete it, you'll see pretty colors. If you don't, you guys already know. I don't even have to tell you guys. You guys know. You guys freaking know. I love you guys, man. We're getting our chests in for the day, folks. I did a ton of work all day. Oh, my goodness, guys. There is a new, this is behind the scenes, but there's a new version. It's been out for a while of OBS, which is my streaming software. And I didn't upgrade it first, and it was smart I didn't, because a lot of people did, and they had problems streaming. Well, that was months ago. Now they've already moved on to the next level, so I can update now safely. And there's some really cool tools, guys. Really cool tools. I'm so excited. I almost did it before I went live here. Problem. You change something, and something might change, and then you might have a problem, like your audio goes away. It happens. I'm not like, ooh, he moved. I'm not technically lame. Rook comes here, stopping that. Come in here. This rook, it looks like a good move on the surface. It keeps my knight out. It stops this shove. It can't be a good move, guys. It just can't. Knight c5 could be a move. If he brings the rook over. See, I could come in here, but it doesn't really do much. I could come here and hit the rook, I guess. That lets him double up. I don't think we can let him double up. Knight c5. I gotta move. And I lose because of that. I just lost. I reset. Wait. Nope. Nope. Push. I take. And I'm on the knight. I blundered, but I might be okay. Rook up. Rook up. Yeah, rook up like to here, maybe? It doesn't work because of this. Rook up here, maybe? This was a blunder, guys. This was a blunder, but on b4, I can take. And if he takes, I can take the knight. So I might, it looks like it loses, but it might actually win a pawn if he pushes. But I didn't see it, so it's a blunder to me. Joe Nader with the 250 Facebook Gaming Stars. Joe, thank you, man. Thank you very much. And Bill Stockwell Jr. and TDK just re-upped his supportage for what, 9 months was it, TDK? Thank you for being around for so long, my friend. Yeah. Is he still talking? Was that guy, was his name Christopher? Was he still talking about chess? Did he say anything more? It's like his comments went away, guys. They were there. It's weird, folks. It's weird, and it doesn't have a real nice beard. Oh, man. There is a link in my description to YouTube. Go there, subscribe, guys. Could be pretty important at this point in our career. Right? I can't push. I can do this. I just did it. I don't know if it works, but it stops the malarkey. It puts my knight on an unprotected square. It attacks this. Bing, bing. Lickety split. I might be able to get this move in now. Yeah, he could have maybe attacked the knight. So I'm not sure, guys. It just makes me wonder, though. Subscriber anniversary. Andrew Stephen Thal. I don't know if it's going to pop. Oh, wait a second. Hey, Andrew, thank you, man. Thank you for the 2-month, Andrew Stephen Thal. me get some sub hype in the chat, folks. Every sub matters, folks. Thank you very much. Bing. There you go. Okay, we're way up on time. We both of our back ranks are weak. And oh, I thought he blundered, but he didn't. Okay. He wants to trip, guys. He wants to trip. Now I could come here, but then it's like this is loose. He actually can't triple if I come here. But he could attack my knight. The tripling could be dangerous. Not gonna lie. You could triple to this square. I don't think I can let him triple, guys. But I think he might get the 7th rank. That's a good move, man. I'm digging that move. I almost feel like I want to do this. Oh. I don't know if takes is the move, guys. It might become back. It might be make left. No, making left isn't good. I mean, I just can't allow the triple stack. Well, I guess I can, and then here, if the queen comes in. Well, you could pin, man. That would be nasty. That would be freaking nasty. Rook here, queen here. Hey, Jonathan No Love Thrasher with the 100 Facebook Gaming Stars. Thank you, Thrasher. How you doing, man? Happy Friday, folks. Let's go, Chiefs. Greg Filmanuk. That's the only divisiveness we allow on stream is rooting for your team. Okay? You can always root for your team. Happy Friday, folks. Let's go, Chiefs, says Phil Manuk. You love it, man. How you doing, Greg? Greg.
Happy Friday, folks. Let's go, Chiefs.
Went full support mode. Was it yesterday? Or the day before? It was lots of gifted subs, lots of stars, lots of support. So, Phil Manuk, I appreciate it very much, man. I appreciate it very much. And thank you for the 200. I need a warm up, folks. All right. No board on that screen, but that's okay. What did he do? Yep, he doubled up, guys. I knew he would. Now, I have a bad feeling that I just have to let him have the 7th. I might have played knight back. He could. This could be nasty, man. White is better right now, I think, guys. I think I have to take. Or well, yeah. I think I have to take. And then the question is, do I play knight back or h6? I'll tell you why I play knight back. Or do I play it back now? Let me see. Where's the check? What's it gonna do? Check, knight back. And that other night will come. So I think I either play knight back now. Or we'll just keep this knight out. Make some left. Oh no, he has queen e8. Knight backwards. It might be happening, man. You're giving up your queen? Who said that, Antoine? You scared the heck out of me when you say that. I'm doing great. Wednesday night, I believe, and I need to fix the scroll. LOL. Had to make up for lost time. I need to fix scroll. Yeah, I do 1000%. I'm a little behind on the scroll. Charlie in the coffee cam. Enjoy the stream, sir. Taking the kid to chess club. Working on the Italian opening today. Kevin Knight. Nice. Andrew Stephen Thole says by like 2 moves. Either knight, MIO, but I don't know. The royal game. Woohoo! Jacob Bordelon, how you doing, man? What do you? He created his Louvre de Blooms. Okay, now I'll come here. I don't know if it's the best move. This knight, it feels kind of cool, but it's unprotected. I better do this. Here, I think I have to play back because otherwise a pawn falls, which is very passive. But his queen is like, you know, I could always just move the knight right back whenever I need to. If his queen wants to pin down my knight and my pawn, that's 6 points he's tying up with the 9-pointer. So I'm not too sure. H6, that's what I did, Antoine. Yep. Jacob says analysis paralysis. Right? Now should I check and then take? Hitting the knight? I'm gonna do that. Oh, he could play knight back. That's a blunder. Look at that. Check. He plays knight back. Boy, that sucks too, because that would have been really nice to do. I would have really appreciated that chance, but check, knight back blocks, and I have no way to punish him. And it protects the pawn. It would just lose a pawn. Dang, that really sucks, because that would have been really cool. He's got this anytime he wants it in his pocket, folks. Right? Yep, I went over this whole line in my head, guys. Now, I think I come here. The knight needs to... Yeah. I think I come here. So he's winning a pawn. He's winning a pawn, guys. That's bad. Right. Now I can attack his queen, but it doesn't do anything. He just pinned me. I feel like... But my knight's kind of crud, guys. I think I'm screwing up, and this pawn's gonna be weak here in a minute, man. Takes, queen takes. The only benefit of that is the massively centralized queen, which is an amazing thing. There is, you know, like the bishop pair synergy is better. The sum is greater than the parts or whatever, right? Dude, a queen in the middle of the board, it's just like, it's a good thing. Chess is an onion of a game. So many layers, and sometimes it makes me cry. Jacob, I love that. Happy Friday evening, chiller, down below. How you doing? Jacob, You play a lot? What do you do, man? You know chess? Where do you play? You play on chess.com or Lee Chess? Anthony Fowler, Jacob Bordelon, Don McMahon, Chris Jones, and Soheb Mandai with the likes. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. I am down a pawn with 0 compensation. And probably the weaker king side, because he has his knight here and his king is back here, and I don't really have a lot of threats. I'm turning a pawn, so he kind of wants to take, giving me, and then he can't defend this pawn, but he can start shoving. With the queens on, that's bad. That's why we're gonna have to like trade some stuff, maybe go for a little bit of a perpetual motion. This queen and this pawn can they just walk each other down the board. It's his move, Andrew. That's the trick. That's the trick here. It's his move. Like it might be a better draw to take this, hit a knight, and I'm still on the pawn, right? And then after he moves, to protect, can he protect the knight and the pawn at the same time with the queen? He can't. See, if takes, he plays, say, knight back protecting his knight, then I could take this. And the crazy thing about that is, I'm down a knight, but it will lose. I can't sack that. I guess I have to take the freaking knight, guys. I'm in a pawn. And now I'm down a, well, I'm not down a pawn. Wait a minute. I have to take a knight. I have to take a knight, and I am down a pawn, but I might get it back. Wow, I almost took the wrong piece, guys. I had blindness for a second there. Don't look. Trade knights. And Barawari said best move. What, you like taking a pawn instead? This could just be losing. Well, it can't move yet, and I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this, guys. That's my pawn. You going to attack my queen? I'm just check, take, or take. Bring the knight. You scared me. I scared myself, man. I did that yesterday against a 2100. Did you see that? We had a very interesting position. Both killer moves I missed were knight b5 like crushing and knight g5 crushing. They're both forward moving knights moves that I looked at and said it doesn't do anything. And if you just looked a little deeper, it did a lot. Yeah. No treatment. Knight was best. Yeah, I gotta take, man. I just gotta take back. Like I said, I'm getting this, but this will queen way faster than me making a passer over here will. Very dangerous. Okay, yep, he attacks stuff. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna take because I don't want to give up a pawn. I just realized I have no check. Now I also have this idea. He has no f4. Oh, he has a check. He has a check, but is that a win, though? He has a check to force the queens. He's threatening this check if I take. I could take this way, but then I lose this. But then I get this check. Ooh, and I don't have that. I can come back, and he can't interpose a queen. If he goes check, check. If he interposes here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What am I looking at here? Queen takes. Queen takes. Check. King here. I can't take this. Oh, but I can't take this. That is so crazy. And it's protected. And there's no checks. And this pawn falls. But then this pawn falls. Nope, then my knight falls. But my knight will be here. So scary, guys. I'm just going to assume this doesn't win. It's an outside passer. Probably does. Don't know them. I don't know. Okay. I'm just keeping it from jumping 2 squares, guys. And then we're going to start shoving our majority, taking a little bit of space, and get our king behind the pawns to get over here. That's my guess. I don't freaking know. And then if he comes like here, I got to come here. So he can't attack the square. Then his king has to come. And then my king comes. And we play chess. My king can infiltrate. Sack for the pawn is the dream scenario. Okay, what do you do? Yep, and he wants to come back here. And he has no threats, so we're going to come here. Yeah. It buys me a move. Or 2. I guess bring the king. I don't know, guys. Here and here, maybe? I want that for a check. I might be able to check here and be annoying. I don't know, but my king will be close. You can get a check. You can't. What do you do? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, that would be bad. I think I need this square to move over to get over to, guys. I think I do this. To stop this, and then over, and then push, and then over, and then push, and start making mine. Don't move. E5 would have been terrible, Kelfrius, right? Sorry, I haven't worked in 5 years, Andrew thought. My old job just called and tried calling me in. That's funny. Yeah, they need you, huh? I mean, did they try calling you in like they had you on the list of people that were available to work, or they called you and they're like, "Hey, man, we're pretty screwed up right now. Is there any way you could come in and help us?" Check. I come here. Or I come here. That would actually be really good. Mine had me in a group text. Okay, in a group text. I just did it, guys. Comes here. I can check again. He goes there, right? I can hit the knight now. Or, I think we advance. I think we advance, folks, because we need to move our maneuvers. The forward motion. Check. It's like it's a long way away, man. Check, move. And then if he comes here, this is protect. Oh wait, if he comes here, everything's protect. He can't come there because my knight. Yeah, so I don't see how he's getting in, guys. I don't see how he's getting in. They wanted me to go to the warehouse, but I'm cooking supper for my family. Right? Yeah, isn't that rough though? Wait, what do you do? He pushes a pawn. Okay, okay. Hit the knight. Check here. No, it doesn't work. That to me was a no-brainer. I don't know if that was a move, guys, but I did it. I did it quick. I don't have a lot. Okay, now this could be the move. Get the knight in. Right. Okay, knight check. I think I come here. Hit the knight. I don't know if I do this. I'm not gonna look at chat there. Okay. I think I lose this, guys. I think I chased him off the knight. But it could draw. It could draw. But I think I'm winning a knight. Okay. I'm going to need to be here to defend the knight. And I need to come... Oh, okay, wait, guys. Just wait. Check. Wait for it. I think I bring the king this way. I do. I think I bring the king this way, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Right now, I think if here takes... Oh, I can check. Takes check. Takes here. And do I lose? I think I lose, guys. I think I screwed up. Oh, man. He's low on time. Oh, do we have an increment? Yeah, we have an increment, which is good. Which is fine. I think he's going to outplay me, guys. Check. Takes. Check. Takes. Takes here. And then... I don't know. Can my knight stop the pawn? Yeah. Yeah, it can. I think it can. I think it can. I think it's a draw. Can I add you? Kel, yeah, Kel, just, well, let me tell you in a minute how. Let me see if I can turn the bot on. I should not be doing this right now. Knock spot. It's on. Wow. Okay. I don't know what to do. See what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing? He can't keep me out. He can't keep me out, guys. So I'm getting this pawn, and then I should be able to stop this one. That's my hope. I don't know. I think it might be a draw. Comes in here, we lock him in forever. And I think that's his only way to keep me out. I'm gonna come in here, check, come in here, and then he has nothing to do but go. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought I drew. I thought I drew. It's over. Yeah, wow. Could you not take an H pawn and run for the other? Of course. Yeah, no, Scott. Yeah, that's very instructive. No, I lost this game, guys. And of course, I wasn't trying to win. No. I can't stop it, guys. I can't stop it. There's no check. There's no stop. I can resign. Yeah. It was very simple. Yeah, no. I wasn't trying to win. I just blundered this position right here. This is a draw. Good game, man. Yeah. Very good game. Yeah. Guys, the instructive moment there was like Scott Smith mentioned. That's a blunder, I think. But I don't know. I think it's a draw. Yeah, it is a draw. Here, I have to take. Now, if I do this, it's still a draw. He comes here. Now he's winning with 8-6. Here, I have to take. And then I get this pawn. No! So, if to add me on chess.com, I think did someone tell you how to type, did someone type play? It's a draw, you can't win. Yeah, no, Ernesto, I wasn't trying to win. I blundered. I didn't see, I thought I was gonna have to win the pawn later. I just blundered right here and didn't see it. I was not playing for a win. Knight takes pawn is by far the best move. I just didn't see it. I thought I was gonna have to, I was, focused. What are they? Tunnel vision on getting my king in front, not even seeing how easy this is. The whole idea of the draw, and I blundered. I was wondering your logic. I was so confused. I was like, you let him queen up. Yeah. It was a bad mistake. It was a mistake, man. Yep. Can you guys believe I'm 1700? 1700, guys. 1700, and I play like this. Someone want to challenge me? I would love to play. That was a good game. He's one of us. Classic man. He plays on chess.com. He plays tournaments sometimes. It's a draw. You can't win, right, Ernesto? Yeah, it was clear, man. It was clear that it was a draw. I just blundered, Ernesto. I just didn't see knight takes pawn. I for some reason thought in my head I got to get my king in front of his pawn. Huge mistake. Huge mistake. Okay, well. I'm gonna switch over to 10-minute, and I don't see any challenges, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in a game. Andrew Stephen also say sometimes the better you get, you forget the most basic moves. Maybe 1000%, Andrew. Okay, guys, we're gonna try and roll over this guy. Ooh. I think this is pretty clear, but is it a trap? It feels like a trap. It feels like a trap. Okay, E5's a great move because it'll make him pay for D6. He can play queen here. Then I maybe queen E2 and push. And his queen like has one square, and then I can come here. He comes back, but just castle. White is better. The queen and the king. Oh my guys, I can still do this, but you know what? When he pushes, we're gonna take on peasant. Or do I push now? Or do I bring this now? Yeah, I bring this now because he can't do any developing move. Yep. D6, right. Now do I push here? No, now I think we do this. And he can't do any developing move. Okay, the knight comes here. You love to see it, folks. Knight here, checkmate. Okay, it's not actually checkmate, guys. But you guys see the plan, right? If I come here, he can castle. Right. This doesn't do anything. I think we still are doing great, but I don't think we're winning. You know what I'm saying? So I think we need to get that out of our head. Calm down. Check. I don't know if we're up enough material to sack a piece, guys, because we could almost guarantee that these three pieces aren't going to play. At least these two aren't going to play for like 4 or 5 moves, right? This one could get in real quick. This he'll just castle. This could be an idea. to stop d6. Gotta move, gotta develop. Is there a threat? There's no, what's that threat? Push, takes, knight takes, ding, bishop takes. It doesn't do anything. It leaves him with an isolated pawn. I've got this. I trade it down. I think I want to develop. There's probably a better move, guys. Only because stars, the stars at night. Oh, yeah. This one. This one, bishop back, takes, ding, knight, f5, oh, no. Yeah. This is the move! Ah! Wait. This is the move. Although he's just gonna castle. But if he plays bishop back, takes, I get, yeah. I'm doing this. I moved the same piece twice in the opening, folks. Andrew says I can't do 10-minute matches. He just castles. Right. Now, we can get on this. Square. I'm gonna get on this square with the threat. Because if I come here, I probably should have come here first, but see, then he plays bishop, and then I could play queen here. Bishop takes. I guess I could take the 7th, and it would still be really good for me. Also defending the pawn to bring the other rook. Yeah, it's all good. Maybe this is asking for too much. This lets the bishop out. Knight d6 was a better move. Knight d6 was a better move, guys. Nice octopus. Yeah, yep. No kidding. Not a knight, but an octopus. Ernesto, okay. I think we... The thing is, he'll be able to play d5. How about this? He'll play g5. Ooh. Bishop takes, knight takes, and f6 is looking pretty tasty. This doesn't do anything now. Looking at this move. But then he plays d5. Takes en passant, takes. See what I'm saying? It doesn't do anything. So I think maybe stopping d6 or d5 is better. I don't know if that's the move, guys. Now, if he pushes this way, I don't know if I come back or not. Because I can play bishop takes and then knight takes and be all over this. Threatening to come in here and being all over this a million times. Oh, gosh. I dropped the pawn? Okay, now, I don't think I play this move. Oh, no, he can't play bishop back. So I do play this move. C5 doesn't matter. Oh, no, it's he blocks it. He blocks it, guys. No, so I come here now, and we seriously look at... F7. This move, I think he plays C5, guys. So let's just go ahead and attack. And hope he plays Queen E7. Queen E7, I think, blunders. Because bishop takes, rook takes, knight takes. And I win a pawn, and I'm threatening to win an exchange. See what I'm saying? Oh, he wants it. He wants it, guys. Okay. He forced me. Right. You bloody well, right. You gotta play right to give me a free bishop. Right, right. You bloody well. Hey, it's unprotected, guys. It's unprotected. It's unprotected, guys. Mm-hmm. Just trade. Do we trade? The knight's the best piece on the board. Oh, I think we trade. And I'll tell you why. Because, oh wait. This, well, queen takes. Might have, oh, queen takes might have been better, guys. Because he would have had two pieces. I think he blundered, guys. I think he blundered. This works. I think it does because of the rook. I forgot the rook was here, guys. I might have blundered. You got strong knight d6. Yeah, I know, but I felt like pieces were like oh no, he has rook over. Oh, he plays it there first. Okay, let us then just come here. And then we're gonna make a bat ray. We should probably bring the other rook, guys. I think we should bring the other rook, but it doesn't work yet because takes. So oh wow. Okay. So make the bat ray. Create the Amigos bat ray. He's attacking this. I'm up a piece. Just move. Just make the bat ray. It's a babysitting situation, folks. Yeah. Now we'll come back to here. No reason. No reason for the next battery. And you can't push because of this bishop. Okay, he wants to come like there. This is a coming here. Coming here for the attack. Then I'm gonna come here. Maybe this. Now I'm threatening this. It's check. It's hard to see, guys. It's hard to see! I should bring the next rook. I really should. He's got a lot of time. Bishop takes h6. You mean queen takes h6? Is that threat? Yeah, I just made that threat. I just took it, guys. I just took it. Now we're up a full rook. You know what that means? I mean, stack them, folks. Oh, man. It's annoying. It's a good-looking knight. It adds a check. Right. Okay, I'm gonna come here. And then I'm gonna come here. And then we're gonna come here. And win the queen or trade down to a brutal situation. Oh, he could attack my bishop. I need to be careful. Okay. Come on! Move the rook. Move the rook to put the pressure. Knight back, I'm not sure what to do. Oh yeah, knight back we said stack. You actually would have a fork then. Knight back is a good move, guys. I think I might need to just take the knight. Any? Yeah, I think it's any. I think it's any. I shouldn't do any though. I shouldn't do any. I have a minute. I have a minute, folks. Might be okay, guys. He's got me 5-1. Did he just get like material for my stuff? I shouldn't have weakened my king, man. I just play here. I gotta attack. Knight pawns. Okay. Here and here, maybe? Comes back, I come here. Actually, I have this now too. If he comes here... Takes here. He could try and stop the mate. Bet I win the rook. If he comes here, I just take it. Alright, guys. It's a queen. It's a queen. 10 minute or 15? 10. We could play 10 minute. It's 5. I doubt he'll play another game. Is it 5 already? Yeah, I started late though, Adam. You're right. Adam's smart. But you know what, Ernesto, if you want to play a 10-minute game, I'd love to play a 10-minute game. Let me see if I could look at my profile. And let me see if I could find him. It was, who did I just play? I don't understand. Who did I just play? Driving home, 4% mobile phone, I challenge. Workshop is Sunday. No, we did not schedule a workshop for this Sunday. No. I'm going to think it's probably going to be next weekend, which will probably end up being 3 weeks away from the last one, because I'm trying to up the workshops a little bit. That was not... This... Guys, my history is not correct. Look at my completed games, guys. The last game in my history is the Muhammad game. The games I played today are not in my history. Remember the game, guys, where I dropped the knight, Muhammad? This is your Ernesto. This is the game. But if I go chess.com profile and I look at games, the games I just played are not in my history, guys. Don't worry about it, man. I think I am going to probably wrap this up. I bet that happened. My previous opponent didn't show up. I played 2 games. I lost a game and I won a game, and neither of them are in my history, which is weird. It's really weird. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call it, man. We had a couple of good games. You know what's really weird? I can't even, like, the game I just played is gone forever. Chess.com's overloaded, guys. It is overloaded. Wow. That's weird. I've never had that happen before, but chess.com has never been overloaded before. The guys, I came on this morning to look at Magnus Carlsen and Hikaru Nakamura. By the way, Magnus beat Hikaru in the finals of that tournament today. And right when I logged into chess.com, the error came up. It was like it's like I click chess.com and it says this. Like the first thing, it's the first thing. The very first thing it said that. It had no chance to even let me in. Still scared to play on it. I was worried about playing the tournament. Okay, wait. They showed up now. They showed up. They showed up a little late, but they showed up, guys. Now, let's look at the squealer. Yep, I was just better the whole game. It was never a question. We'll start the review. I only played 75% accuracy. He played 70. Really nice but hard to find move. Is it this? Is it that? It's not hard to find. It's not good though. That's best. Good idea to take the outpost. Inactive squared knight cannot be kicked by a pawn. Show moves. Oh, dude, yeah. And look at his development, man. Look at his development, guys. I'm multiple moves ahead still, and I'm gonna get this in. Check. Threatening to win a pawn. That's right now. The threat is knight takes pawn, or knight here check. And if the king moves, takes, and takes, right? And just winning a pawn and still coming to the 7th rank. Although, yeah, I guess I don't know if that would even be the better move though, man. But either way, that was not so good. It didn't like that. It's only +4 here. Excellent. This one's a free bishop. Taking a bishop might not have been the best move. Someone mentioned that, Ernesto, and the knight was good. But yeah, let me see. Let's see what the computer says. It's a bishop. Oh my god, bishop h6. G8, 6, e6 check. Oh my god, then I'm coming here, then I'm coming here. Is this mating? It is mate. King h7. Dude, I'm like, wait a minute, this looks like mate. King h8. Queen g6. Threatening checkmate. Now he has to sack. Oh, queen g5. E7. Oh my god.